Amazon Prime Day 2023 starts tomorrow, July 11th, and goes into July 12th. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you a couple of tips and tricks to try and maximize your Prime Day efforts so you can save the most money possible. Now, right off the bat, guys, I know most of us are Amazon Prime members, but if you are not, make sure to click the link down in the description below and get your free 30-day trial so that you're eligible to actually access these deals. Now, if you're just somebody that doesn't really see the benefit in Amazon Prime outside of these awesome deals for Prime Day, just use that free 30-day trial and then cancel it after that, right? Get your Amazon Prime deals and then you're good to go. So in order to get the most savings out of Prime Day, in the past they always had the lightning deals and things like that. It gives me a ton of anxiety because I feel like I'm gonna miss out on deals. Sometimes they sell out. It's just kind of a lot that goes on. Well, this year they actually have some invite-only exclusive items so that you don't have to worry about that. You just go onto the page. It'll be invite-only. You click on it. You enter. I believe they send you an email update if you're selected, and then you can buy the item. There's one item that's a 75% off. I believe it's a 42-inch flat screen TV. I think it's an Amazon Fire TV. 75% off, so it's $100. Fantastic deal there. And that is one of those things that's an example of the invite only. So if you're interested in those, again, I'll link it down in the description for you. That'll take you to a page of those types of deals that are invite only. Now for strategy number 2 that's going to help maximize your savings during Prime Day, I will be making videos throughout the 2 days of Prime Day to try and kind of notify you guys of things that I see that I think are of extreme value that you can look at. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to the channel because these will be posting. I'm gonna try and at least do 2 videos per day to try and highlight the best deals that I find. However, again, I probably won't be able to find everything that may be of value to you. So here's what I recommend to you. Down in the description, there's a link straight to your Amazon page, and you click on that, it's gonna take you over, and then on the top right-hand corner of there, you're gonna go into your account and you're gonna say create a list. This is gonna allow you to create a shopping list, specifically just label it Prime Day or something like that so you don't have to continually revisit this, but this will give you a good indicator of the things that you're looking for. Create that list and start adding items to it. All the items that you're looking for, and then constantly just over the next 2 days, refresh. And if it goes on a Prime Day deal and the price changes and drops, it'll notify you in there. It'll show price change, and then you can buy it then and make sure that you're maximizing your savings. And like I said, I will be making videos and posting and making sure that you guys have everything that I'm seeing available to you so that you can get those deals. But if there's anything outside of the realm of the car detailing, kind of home improvement type products that you're still interested in, again, just make that list and refresh throughout the day just so that you can keep an eye on it and then buy it when the savings are at its highest. I'm gonna put a link down in the description that's gonna have a list of different things that I'm interested in, that I'm gonna be watching for. And so if you want, you can click on those and just create your own list from that. So that's it, guys, just a quick video. I hope that helps you. Again, make sure you're signed up for Prime Day, and then make sure you subscribe to the channel as I'm gonna be doing some videos throughout the 2 days to update you guys. And number 3, create that shopping list. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned, guys. Tomorrow morning, we'll be doing a video starting for day 1 of Prime Day. Thanks so much. Make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.